This is James, and he's threading buttons on the string. You want to show him how you thread the buttons on the string? Yeah, show. There's the string. Now show them the button. Here's the button, and show them how you thread it. Yeah, oh, make sure you see. Yeah, show them how you thread it. Whee! Good job, James. Can you show another one now? Show us how you do another one. There's a little red one. Good job. Let's see another one. Yeah, there's a green one. Wow. And last one, a triangle. Good job. This is James, and he's almost 2.5. And yeah, look at all the, he strung those all himself.
Mom.
Yeah. Okay, Mommy will take them off. We can do it one more time before bed. Okay. Good night.